Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using a wall shelf, a hanging pallet, and some tumbling blocks, all from Dollar Tree. I start by taking 8 tumbling blocks and gluing them in sets of 2. I just use some Gorilla wood glue. Once I have all those sets completed, I glue them all together in a square shape, and I make 2 of those. So 16 tumbling blocks total. Once I have the shape set how I want it, I add some masking tape to it to hold it into place while the glue dries. It does take a full 24 hours for the glue to cure, but I let it set for about half an hour before I work with it again. Next, I'm taking these giant craft sticks that I got from Walmart, and I place it along the wall shelf and trace out the edges and then cut them down with some whisker shears. Once I am sure that the size is right, I use that first one as my guide and cut down an additional 3 craft sticks. After I have those all cut down, I use some hot glue and attach them to one of the sides of the wall shelf, putting a little bit of space in between each. And then remove the hanger and staples from the pallet, and I paint both of those with Cottage white chalk paint by Folkart. Now, if you can't find one of those hanging pallets from Dollar Tree, you could always make your own with some craft sticks. I also took the sets of tumbling blocks that I glued together and paint those with the same color. And everything got full coverage. I did 2 coats on all of them. I then take these sets of tumbling blocks and I add hot glue to one side of it and place it down on the bottom part of the wall shelf, covering those holes. I then flip that over, and on the longer side of the wall shelf, I add some hot glue and place down the pallet. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.